my name's Molly Kate. Today we'll be making easy homemade hummus. The things you will need to make the hummus is chickpeas, olive oil, garlic, ground cumin, water, lemon and water. First we will drain the chickpeas. Next, we need half a cup of olive oil, quarter of a cup. And then we'll put that into it. Next, we need to crush the garlic. You can use crushed garlic or you can crush your own garlic, but we don't have garlic, so we'll just be crushing it. Next, we need 2 teaspoons of ground cumin. Big one. Next, we're going to use 1 lemon. Then we will pour them in as well. Next, we'll blend it up, and then if you need water, we can add some water.
Maybe a little bit of water.